Welcome back here at 9:43. We're turning to the science of it. And of course, that picture behind us really does give you an idea of what we're going to talk about in the day ahead.
Okay, so if your kids love dinosaurs, bring them into the room. Here's first warning meteorologist Alex Salisi learning about a popular T.Rex at the Orlando Science Center.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Science of It here at the Orlando Science Center. I'm here with Kevin, and Kevin, what are we talking about this week?
We're going to be talking about our favorite T-Rex, Stan.
Stan, all right, what can you tell me about Stan the T-Rex?
Stan the T-Rex is a 65 million year old specimen of Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay.
Now, if you've never heard the word Tyrannosaurus Rex before, you don't know what that means, it stands for Tyrant Lizard King in Latin. So it really is truly the king of the Cretaceous period of all the dinosaurs back then. So.
Okay.
Stan the T-Rex, being 65 million years old, is pretty old, but we only found this specimen in 1987.
Oh, wow.
So it was found by a paleontologist named Stan, so that's where his name Stan comes from.
Okay.
Yeah, so he is pretty awesome. He's got a lot of really cool features. I've got this 3D printed head here just to show you some of the features of his jaw.
This is not to scale, right? Are they bigger?
They're much bigger.
Okay.
I don't know, you can probably see that skull in the background is gigantic.
Right.
So that one back there is just the model of the true fossil, because of course all fossils are just rocks, and naturally rocks are pretty heavy, so you can't really suspend them in their like true shape like they would stand as a dinosaur, because it would just be too heavy.
Gotcha.
But yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the skull here.
The skull here is really awesome. Particularly this jaw is super powerful. It can chomp down with about a force of 7,000 pounds.
Wow.
It's about the weight of 2 whole small cars chomping down. It's pretty awesome.
What did they eat?
What do they eat? Well, that's actually a good point. We can take a look at these real sharp teeth here. And I actually have a model of a to size replica if you want to take a hold of that one.
Very cool.
So yeah. These teeth are very sharp. If you want to compare them with this one right here, which is kind of flat and ridged.
I've noticed that's a lot pointier.
Exactly, yeah. Okay. So that one here is an herbivore's tooth. This is specifically from an Edmontosaurus, which is an herbivore. But this one, like I mentioned, is a model of the Tyrannosaurus Rex's tooth. So it's very sharp. It's great for eating meat. It's going to be good for tearing and getting at that meat really efficiently. And that's what we got here. We got a whole bunch of different teeth, all different sizes. Now, the different sizes are important because the T-Rex can actually regrow its teeth, just like a shark would, except it doesn't really have rows. It can just regrow its teeth. Oh, wow. And that's why you're seeing different sizes of teeth here. Because it's over time fighting with different dinosaurs, getting its prey. It's going to lose teeth, of course. Those are some pretty serious fights, especially with that 7,000 pound bite force.
So is that how scientists figure out what these animals eat back in the day, looking at their fossils? They look at their teeth?
Absolutely, yeah. They look at their teeth. They can actually sometimes find some stomach contents, some fossils in their stomach, and find out if there's bones in there. There might actually be a carnivore's skeleton that we're looking at.
Very cool. Yeah. Well, Kevin, where can people see more about these dinosaurs and more about animals?
They can come to the Orlando Science Center right up here in Dino Digs on the 4th floor. It's going to be all about our favorite fossils.
Cool, Kevin. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for joining us here on The Science of It.
Awesome. So if you want to see some other cool stuff happening at the Orlando Science Center, it's open every day from 10 until 5.